Hello, good afternoon. Happy Friday to everyone. I'm here again in the Samak for the second time. Okay, so Sisi is calling of me. It's very nice here if weekends. Just imagine, it's very nice talaga if it's weekends. Okay, oh. Beside that one in the center is the river. It's the river. Okay, very nice talaga, especially if Friday and Saturday, if there is no work, there is no school, so they can come here, all the family, and they are watching. Okay, and they can spend time. Oh, so very nice. It's not working, this one. Oh, you see, it's not working. I don't think so. Why it's not working? Oh, you see, there is, ayun yung kabayo. There is a horse. Okay. There is a horse. We are bringing the, what's that, of Celine. Oh, you see, ayun yung horse. So, ayun yung horse. Okay? Ayun yung horse. Oh, very nice talaga siya. Okay, so ayun yung restaurant at the back side. Because we go from the front. Oh, ayan na, oh, yung kabayo. Ayun yung kabayo. Ayan yung kabayo. Happy Friday to everyone of us. Thank you again for watching. Ayun yung kabayo. Rent yata sila yan, nagbabayad. Okay, nagbabayad yan sila dyan. Okay. One more. Ayan yung kabayo. Renting yata yun. Magbayad ka dyan para makasakay. If you know how to use to ride it. Okay. So on the other side is the river. And that one is the fountain. And this one is in the building. In the restaurant. At the back. Okay. So thank you again. Thank you for watching. To all subscriber of mine, thank you. Thank you very much. To all subscriber, thank you. The weather is very good. Once again, to all subscriber of mine, thank you. Thank you for the viewers. Thank you to the supporters. Thank you that you are still with us. Oh, this one is at the back. It's the back side. Yeah. Ayan, Riha Samak now. Ayan naman yung Samak. Again, it's the Samak again. Oh, ayan yung ano nila sa Samon. Making the Samon. Okay, and ayun yung Samak. Ito mag-Samak. And ayun, the restaurant, the swimming pool. And now I'm looking there, where is Madam? And I make to finish first my video. Okay. And this one is the another side at the back. Okay. So once again, thank you, and thank you. And all the salmon is here. Thank you. Smell Samak na ako. And I'm going to say bye-bye. Bye for watching. Thank you again. Kailan na hanapin ko na si Madam. Go down hindi kasi the people is mamnu. Aray ko. Wala. Sa loob o sa labas. Tingnan ko sa loob. Tingnan ko muna. Saglit. Ilagay ko yung parking. Ayan. Bago ko hanapin sila. Okay? Egolisi, bye-bye. Si Madam, naghahanap na yun.